Welcome to EDT 632, Literacy Assessment and Instruction. This video will provide you with an overview of the course organization. In the table of contents, you will find live links to the overviews as well as assignments and activities. I've also provided a What is Literacy table for you to be able to organize the information in your own mind about how literacy is connected. In this course, we will be discussing both assessments and instruction, as well as looking at the three primary elements of fluency instruction: word study, comprehension, and fluency. This course includes ISTE standards as well as CAPE standards in order to help you meet the goals of the 21st century literacy. The course organization is provided on the home site, where you will see all of the Canvas tabs. Each module will be broken up into 4 elements: concepts, which will be the content; practice, activities to help you learn and grow using the content; application, assignments that will demonstrate your ability to use and apply the new information to your instruction; and finally, a retrospective that will give you the opportunity to let you reflect on the changes you are making to your literacy assessment and instruction. The module assignments include both individual and group activities. You will create T-charts to synthesize content. You will have modules where you can demonstrate your knowledge of the content. And then you will have activities, assignments, and reflections. In this course, we will use TBL, which is team-based learning. You will stay with the same team throughout the semester so that you can collaborate in your learning and your application of the course content. In your teams, you will each have a role. You will perform certain tasks that will help with the learning in your team. And finally, you will use agile activities to make sure that your team is working effectively. Your team communication will be using a Trello board. With your Trello board, you will keep track of what you need to do, what you're in progress doing, where you need help, and when you and your team are ready to move on. Do you need help? Please look at the course resources on the home site. I've also provided an FAQ table so that you can keep adding questions on a Padlet board that I will answer. There is, of course, my email and my cell. Feel free to always reach out to your team. If you have any IT services issues, you'll need to contact them. You can find this presentation on the home page if you would like to go back to it, look at it further, and use the live links. Thank you, and welcome to the course.